It look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on swimming up the rap.
So my friend Anyier is in Toronto from Paris. She's in this new movie Couture with Angelina Jolie, which is nuts. And I remember she told us about it earlier this year in Paris. And the premieres, I think the world premieres yesterday and 2 nights, so yesterday and today. But we're gonna catch today's show, so she sent us some tickets and we're on our way to go see that show. Should be very, very, very cool. Like, it's insane that I have movie star friends now. Movie. It's insane that I have movie star friends now, but hey, that's life. So yeah, so we're just gonna go to that and then see where the night leads. We're here at TIFF. This is Mo and Whak is over there, and we're walking to Cinema One to go watch Couture and see Anei. I can't believe she's there. Look at Anei. Look at Anei and all her fans. Look at her. Look at Anei and all her fans. They're all here to see her. Oh, Anei, look at her.
Was this a 10 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10?
A 10 out of 10. Oh, Anei, look at her, movie star.
Hey.
Movie star, my movie star friend in her Chanel.
I mean,
Look at her. I'm so proud of you, Anei.
thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so glad you guys
This
came.
guy.
I'm so happy you guys came.
I'm happy to be here. So, last night was insane. We just went back to the hotel, huh? Yeah. We just came back to the hotel, chilled, and then I left and went to and then I left and went home. I feel like I'm all over the place. So today's starting. We are going to find a Rexo. I was looking for Shoppers Drug Mart, but I couldn't find it, so we're going to find a Rexo. I'm gonna go get Compeed for Anei, because she texted me this morning and she's like, can I get her some Compeed? So that's what we're going to look for, and then go see her in the hotel. Yeah, all the models know what that is. For those who don't know, they're blister pads. Fun. The first aisle. So, we just finished, actually not finished, we didn't find what we're looking for in that place. So we're going to go meet up with Anyier, and then we'll go to another place to go look. Probably go to like a Shoppers or something. Yeah, Shoppers better. I don't know what Rexo. Hey girl. Hey girl. She's so silly. Oh, Anyier. Oh, Anyier.
Oh, boys.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Anyier. You're so hot. You're so hot. She said, I beg her, I'm crying. I was sleeping last night. I'm like waking up, I'm like, damn, you actually did that. So
we did that.
Like I actually took in yo, you actually did that. I see Anier's closet, so it's just Chanel. Just Chanel stuff. And here. We can imagine, just Chanel. These are Tom Ford. I like these. You gotta explain what it is, though.
Yeah, I got to.
You gotta explain what it is.
I also did a video. Thank you. All right. So when you see this, it looks like, I don't know, maybe a trophy. I mean, of course I deserve a trophy, duh.
Yeah, but it's like a trophy of like a film.
How does it feel? But it comes with a spoon, so that means it's edible. Anyway, shout out to my debut as an actress and the premiere in TIFF. TIFF is major. I'm so excited I was in TIFF. Like, yo. Anyway, so I'm here with Whak&Mo, and we're just about to break the stuff. And it's the beginning of so many other TIFF stuff. You see this? You see this? Nah, I don't want to break it. Like, y'all see the details? Y'all see the details? Y'all see the details? Like, yeah, of course we're here for the film, but come on, it's Canada. Don't play with it. Don't play. TIFF 50. TIFF 50. And these are chocolates too. Anyway. No!
I'm crying.
Gotta pick it up. See, this is the science. When you fall, you gotta pick yourself up.
Real.
And dust yourself, because you're still beautiful. Because you see, that's chic. How you gonna, like, exactly. Anyway, taste test.
Okay, let's see.
I know this is dark chocolate. Who the fuck? This is milk.
Let me get, what should I? I'll do the tip. Hey.
Wait, y'all, that in. Oh, you thought it was a trophy. It's chocolate. Let me reveal it. It's chocolate, y'all.
Festivals in Toronto.
Look at her.
Is
that what it's called?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you from Toronto? No. Oh my god. Esta modella. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Black beauty. Thank you so much. Well, are you Sudanese? Yes, I'm Sudanese. Hey, what's your name? Anyier. You're a model, right? Yeah. Oh, you're super. Yeah, I can see. Wow. That's so cool.
Yes. Look at them.
God bless Diva Gaga.
God bless Diva Gaga. Say it again.
God bless Diva Gaga.
Amen. Wait, okay, tell the vlog who you are.
Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on the rep. Hey guys, it's your girl Anei, and Anei's in Toronto. My name is Anei. Welcome to
Whak&Mo's vlog.
Whak&Mo vlog. Exactly. I'm so happy I came here. Been hanging out with my boys. It's been fun. Look at me on the streets of Toronto, eating everybody up, and they're just here being Whak&Mo. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. You know?
Tell the vlog what you do.
Well, I'm your superstar fashion model. And also, this young miss is an actor. And that's what brought me to TIFF, to Toronto, TIFF. Y'all should watch Couture.
Okay.
Watch Couture. What you know about Couture? What you know about Ada? Exactly.
Fire.
Go watch it.
That was a good movie. That was a really good movie, by the way. That was really good. I'm happy I got to share this moment with Anyier in Toronto. Only the best for the best. So.
Yeah, just my real ones. Like,
you know?
How?
Only the best.
Toronto and Whak&Mo don't get to watch Anei.
Only the best.
Best part is that they're the first people to watch it.
Yup. World premiere.
Like to my friend group, of course. You know?
Okay, let's go to.
We're gonna get Timbits.
We're gonna get Timbits.
It's like classic Canadian. Like you have to have Timbits. So that you tell them you have Timbits when you get to Toronto.
Really? But
Yeah.
No, we're gonna.
It won't take long.
It won't take long.
Let's go.
I'll show you.
What is it called?
Timbits.
Whoa.
Timbits. So you have to try.
It looks so good. What's your favorite?
My favorite is this one. Birthday cake.
Try this one. Birthday cake.
Yeah, that was good. Actually, taste all of them. So you just have a bite. You just have a bite. You just have a
I
bite.
can't taste all of them.
You have to eat the whole thing.
I'm not a sweet tooth, but this is so good.
Okay, that's good. The old-fashioned,
so good.
old-fashioned plate is good as well. That one.
I can't eat all of it.
Yeah, no.
But we're doing a taste test.
Yeah.
Okay. Our car's getting here in 2 minutes, so.
What do you think about that one?
Oh wow. This is my favorite. I like it better than
Sorry.
That was too sweet.
Oh, yeah. So we got the car and we're about to drop Anyier off. So we decided to close the vlog here because it's best if Anyier closes out the vlog.
Wow. Y'all, this has been an experience. Like, we've hung out for just a few hours, and yo, Whak&Mo. What you know about Whak&Mo? I really enjoyed Toronto. I've had a good time away like this time I spent with you guys in work a little bit and outside work has been meaningful. really meaningful. And I'm happy that you were here for this, you know, this to witness and to honor it and to. They cancelled they cancelled their plans, y'all. Like they could have decided to do anything, but y'all showed up and in very big ways.
Love it. Do you have any advice for the other young people like us watching this?
Yeah.
Not even advice, just anything to say.
Yeah, for sure. It's what I was reading to you yesterday when I was telling you guys about Alexander McQueen.
Yeah.
Let me read it for y'all again.
Please.
Because I was reading through my journal from a time like this last year, and I was on a flight to New York. I'll read to you guys that page of my journal actually. How about that? Welcome to my journal, y'all. But I journal a lot. Anyway. It says, on a flight to New York, this is 25th August 2024. On a flight to New York, I slept, woke up, ate, and bawled my eyes out watching McQueen's story. What a beautiful story. It's filled with so much grief, pain, sadness, but at the same time, beauty, glamour, art, and power. I relate to McQueen. So much to the going out and choosing your own destiny, so much to the childhood abuse that shaped him into who he was, the pain that inspired his art, the love he had for his mother, his goofiness and down-to-earth nature, his need to make the woman powerful. McQueen was a great legend. He said, this is the advice. You are not invented. You invent yourself by choosing to perfect and capitalize on your pre-existing talent. You invent yourself by choosing to perfect and capitalize your pre-existing talent. Talent is not taught. I don't specifically recall. Okay, I won't read that part. It's personal. I'm on my flight to New York, the 8th one. Who would have ever thought? But girl, what are you getting from New York? I feel like this is not where I want to be, but I know that I'm doing well. It's just always that. I need to unlock my full potential, but is this always going to be the quest to find more and more and more? Anyway.
Wow.
Real.